So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to dual boot CuteFish OS with Windows 10 or 11 or 11.7. So the prerequisites are you need to download the CuteFish OS ISO and Ruffrus and need a 8 GB pen drive stick free of space. And now you can, once these both files are downloaded, you can open Ruffrus. You can open it and drag and drop the CuteFish ISO into your Ruffrus and click on start. Okay, and all data will be wiped out, so have a backup. Once that is done, you can click on OK. Now deleting partitions and installing it, so it's going to take some time. Now let's shrink the partitions for our installation. Now well, I have already shrinked 100 GB of space from my hard drive. So how to shrink, let me tell you. If you're going to shrink from your hard drive, you can right click it, you can click on shrink volume and wait for this to load. So well, when you can see a screen like this, that means all you need to do is enter the amount of size you want to shrink. In my case I had shrinked 100 GB, so I'll be entering 100 GB. I wouldn't be shrinking it since I've already shrinked mine. So when you enter your size and click on enter, you'll be seeing something like this, unallocated and the size you had shrinked. Once you have shrinked it, you can close this and wait for your image to get flashed. So once the flashing is done, it says ready. You can close this and close all your running apps. And well, now you can shut down your PC. Wait for your PC to get shut down. Now once your PC is shut down, power it on again and keep on pressing F2 or any other key provided by the manufacturer until your laptop boots into BIOS. So well, my BIOS is booted. Now you should have your pen drive plugged in, and you can press F8 for boot menu and select your pen drive right there and click on enter, so that you'll be seeing the Linux installation screen. Now as you can see, if you want to try CuteFish OS without installing, you'll directly go to the CuteFish OS without installing, and if you click on install CuteFish OS, you can directly install CuteFish OS. Both are okay. I'm going to click on install CuteFish OS. So well, we have arrived with the setup screen, and the booting into the setup is going to take you more than 4-5 minutes, so you'll need to wait for that. As for me, it took 5 minutes. So now click on continue with your preferred language and wait for it. Every time you click on continue, it's going to take a very long time, so you'll need to wait for that. And now connect to your internet. So well, now you need to select these if you want to install third-party software for graphic and hardware and Wi-Fi driver. So in case you have a GPU, and this is going to install the driver automatically. So if you click on this, your drivers will get automatically installed. So click on this and click on continue. Click on something else and click on continue again. And this is the most important part of the video. You'll need to be selecting your drives for, the hard drive you just shrinked. So now let's select the hard drive. And this is the hard drive we just shrinked, 100 GB. So click on plus, shrink 8 GB of swap, and here you need to select swap area and select everything's proper. Now you can click on OK. Now a swap area is created, and go to this free space again. Now select 9 GB, that is 9000 MB, and select ext4 journaling file system and select home. Now click on OK again. Now click on go to the free space again, and this is 90 GB, and select ext4 journaling file system and just select the slash. So this is the root partition where all your files will be stored, and the partition we created before is the home partition where all of the files will be stored, and swap area is the virtual memory. So once all three are created, we can click on install now and apply changes to disk. If everything is proper, you can do it. Continue. So well, my PC has booted. Now let me sign in. So this isn't how your start menu will look like. You can customize it how much ever you want. And CuteFish OS basically looks like Mac OS. Let me just show you when it boots. And well, this is how the CuteFish OS looks like. And as you can see, it looks like completely like Mac OS. So this is the settings. And look at that opening and closing. So it's basically like a Mac. Opening is also going to look so smooth, and there are no shortcut keys set yet, so you need to set them manually. So they have good animations in this, like just like the Mac OS, and there can be a lot of customization in this CuteFish OS, but it's not yet fully stable for daily usage, and not many softwares are supported in this. And this is just a developing OS, so it's going to take some time for the OS to get fully developed, so we have to wait for that. Now you can be accessing your other drives, like in Windows you had your hard drive, you can be accessing that right here. As you can see, this is my hard drive in my Windows and I'm able to access it, so you don't be having a problem of that. You can be transferring files between Windows and Linux. That is possible completely. And this is on how to install CuteFish OS for your PC. And if this worked for you, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.